Here we are with another Penguin Live Look Back. Let's take a look at a live performance from Patrick Redford and a special guest who I think you might recognize.
But I'd like to show this to you, and since you were the one who were unknowingly stooged, I feel like I've used you in some way. May I use you some more? Big round of applause for Eric. Yes, join me up here. Have you ever been hypnotized before?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever had the feeling of deja vu before?
Many times.
Anyway, we're talking about some amnesia stuff, but I want to put you into the right mindset for this, and you do have to take this seriously, so just take a breath.
All right.
Sorry, I know we're joking around here, but look right at the palm of the hand. Good. Tip of the finger, tip of the thumb. Good. Palm of the hand. Tip of the finger, tip of the thumb, palm of the hand. Stay right there for just a moment, and close your eyes, because I want them to see it before you do, but I promise I won't do anything to embarrass you. Just stay right there. This is the one. This is the one that's going to be. Don't say it out loud. That's the one it's going to be. Now, in a moment, Eric, I'm going to show you a playing card. As soon as you see that card, I want you to lock it into your long-term memory as quickly as you possibly can. Okay, in fact, open. When you understand what I want you to do, I mean, you got it. You understand?
Yep.
Good. Close your eyes one more time. And in fact, can you bring this hand palm up in front of you? Right there. Good. I'm going to put it face down in front of you like that. Great. Now, have you ever walked into a room and you forgot exactly what you walked into the room for? Happens to me all the time. You go in with a specific purpose to grab something, but as soon as you walk into the room, it just kind of dissolves, it disappears. There's a reason for that. In fact, you can open, look right here, tip of the finger, tip of the thumb, palm of the hand, tip of the finger, tip of the thumb, palm of the hand, stay right here, stay right here, stay right here. It's actually the doorways that make us lose the thought, because it's a transition into another space and time. And that's why when you retrace your steps, you can actually remember again. What card are you not remembering right now? What card is this? What card are you not remembering right now?
I don't know.
Honestly.
4 of clubs.
Are you just making things up now?
Yeah, I don't know.
You didn't see it 4 of clubs, you just made that up.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Honestly, it's just completely gone.
Yeah.
Do you remember saying you locked into your long-term memory? Do you remember that?
Yes.
But you don't actually remember what you locked in?
No.
And you're not playing along right now. This is sincere.
No, this is serious.
We didn't talk beforehand because we were talking about stooging before.
No idea.
This is legitimate.
Yeah, I have no idea.
So this doesn't ring any bells at all, the 3 of spades?
No.
No. Very good. Stay right here for a second. We'll explain exactly how that works. But actually, let's take this a step further. It's actually really easy to make somebody forget a playing card because it doesn't have any meaning. It's much harder to make them forget a series of actions. With your permission, I'd like to try that.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Can I use the 3 of spades?
Sure.
I mean, unless you want to use a different card, we can. But the 3 of spades is still good.
That'll work.
Here's what we're going to attempt to do. I'm going to attempt to remove this card from the center of the pack and place it on top openly. But not just pull it out and stick it on top. I'm actually going to spread through the cards. I'll show you exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to spread through the cards like this, take out the 3 of spades, put it on top of the pack like that, and make you forget that you ever saw it happen. That's the idea. Okay?
Got it.
Look at me right here. Tip of the finger, tip of the thumb, palm of the hand. Watch. Do you remember seeing it happen?
No.
Honestly.
Honestly.
Do you remember me spreading through, removing the 3 of spades, and putting it on top?
No, I don't.
Honestly, you don't remember that.
No, I don't.
We can replay this tape right now, because everybody at home just saw me do exactly that.
Yeah.
You honestly don't remember that.
I honestly don't remember.
You really don't.
No, I don't.
Do you want to sit down? Do you want to have a break? we can do it again if you want. I know what you're thinking. You guys are thinking, well, actually, you guys are thinking this couldn't possibly happen to us, and he's thinking, do it to them.
Yeah.
True?
Absolutely.
Absolutely fair. In fact, I will do it. With your permission, I'll do it with everyone, if that's okay. And this is fair. I'm doing this at fingertips because when a magician does this sort of thing, you don't know how he did it, but you know when he did it. You see a little flash of something. Hopefully, this will feel like somebody just took a film strip and cut a little bit out. Welcome back. Does anybody remember it happening?
No.
Honestly, anybody at home? Anybody on the Tweetiverse out there? Remember it happening? Anybody? No? That weird?
2 things about that clip. 1, yes, that is what I look like without a beard for all of you who've been asking. And secondly, that trick is amazing. Patrick Redford is an incredible mentalist who knows how to script true miracles, and being on the receiving end of that trick really made me feel like he had erased my memory. You can learn that effect and so many more in the Patrick Redford live lecture at penguinmagic.com. Be sure to check out his lecture and all of the other lectures from your favorite magician in the rest of the Penguin Live series. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and ring that bell so you'll be notified when we post other incredible performances from the best magicians in the world right here at the P3 Magic Theater. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we'll see you next time.